are going to film a battle of Iron Slasher versus Jungle Python. He is hand launching. I'm launching with my homemade launcher. Alright, here goes. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 2 excellent launches there. And 0-1 Jungle Python. Okay, now I'm gonna.
Guys, can you finish the round you're on and then brush your teeth and pick your.
Okay. Okay. Finish winding up. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 2 excellent launches, circling each other. Jungle Python closing in. And they hit. Looking equal. Tie. It's 2-1 Jungle Python. Reload your launchers, fellows. Now, the last, but not least, battle. Who will win for the fame of glory? 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. And there, 2 excellent launches again. Ooh, it's 2-2. This has been a tie. However, following the rules, we must keep going till this battle has a winner. So, allow me to wind up. Maybe we could skip the winding ups. I don't know. Oh, yeah, well, actually we can. Okay, then 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 2 excellent launches again. In the death hole goes Jungle Python, but I think we have a winner. Iron Slasher has won a one-of-a-kind bay. Enter, Indy. Press the red button.